Welcome back to Marine Projects. So today we are going to see a project demonstration of a PIR based alert system thing. So in this project what we have designed is so a PIR sensor is kept in above the servo motor. It will continuously monitor the environment. If any person or if any live human being come in front of the sensor, we can get a alarm. No object in front of the sensor, so it's continuously searching for the objects. Okay, now you go in front of the sensor. Okay, whenever the object is detected, it start buzzing. Now come out of the region. Now the buzzer is turned off. The sensor will wait for the object is moved or not. It will not stop. That is the functionality of PIR sensor. Once the object is moved, again the servo motor will start rotating. Now go again. We'll check again. 1 second. Okay.